Hello, I am Nikila and I worked with Katie and Simith on the Ruby on Rails project. This is our banking application. We have hosted it on Heroku. I am going to demo some of the basic functionality that we implemented as a part of the requirements. This is our landing page. We can either log in as one of the users in the system or sign up. For now, I just wanted to show how to sign up as a new user. Let's just create a new user. Let's call them test user demo. Let's call them demo user actually. Demo user. demo@ncsu.edu, create a password for them, and sign up. And as we can see, the user has been successfully created. Now, there are some user IDs and admin IDs that have been created already in the system. I'm going to log in as one of the admins. The default admin is actually having an email ID of admin@ncsu.edu, and the default user has an ID of user@ncsu.edu. For now, let's start with a demo of the user and then go to the admin page. So let's log in as user@ncsu.edu and the password. This is the landing page of a user. A user can see the edit profile page, accounts page, friends page, transactions page, make a deposit, withdrawal, transfer, borrow money from a friend, and as a part of the extra credit, we did the manage borrow request page. On the edit profile page, a user can edit the following fields and they can save the changes. For now, we're going to go back. And then on the accounts page, they can request an account. Let's place a request. The user already has 2 accounts. Let's make another request. When we log back in as an admin, we should be able to see a request placed by the user on the admin page. Now, let's go back to the home page and look at the friends page. The user has 2 friends right now. We can add another friend. Let's search for Katie. There she is, and we're going to add the friend, add Katie as a friend. And she has also been added into the system. For now, we're going to go back and look at the View Transactions page. That's the transaction page. That page has a list of other transactions that the user did. These were done as part of the development and testing. Let's go back to the home page and actually place a request to borrow money from a friend. The user is going to request to transfer money from one of their friends. Oh, this is the 2 accounts that the user owns. This is the account that the user's friend holds. And we're going to borrow 50, or let's borrow $500. Place a borrow request. And the request has been sent. And what we're going to do now is log in as an admin to see the request for the ID and the borrow. And this is the super admins page, and the admin has access to the following pages. They can edit their profile, they can manage other admins, manage other users, manage accounts and account requests and transactions. For now, we're going to see the edit profile page, and again, the admin can modify these fields and update them. Let's go back, see the manage admin page. Right now, the super admin cannot delete himself or herself from the system, whereas the other admins can. Let's just create an admin and see if we can delete them. Admin demo admin, ncsu.edu, give them a password, and here they are. We can see them added. Let's take them off the system and see if that's getting reflected, and there we go. Now let's go back. Let's go to the manage accounts page, and we can see that the last one is the newly placed request. We can see this. Actually, let's go back. I don't think this was the one. Another user. There's a pending request for $500 to be transferred from the another user's account to user's account. Let's go back. You can see the details of these accounts. And now let's go back one more layer and let's go to Manage Transactions page. We can see that the request made by the user, we just had logged in before the admin, they had placed a $500 borrow request, and we can see this here, and the admin can either approve or decline it, and now we're going to approve it. And this money is going to be deleted or deducted from the user whose name is another. We're going to go back, and if you go to Manage Transactions page, the admin has no transactions. We're going to log out. Actually, before we log out, let's see the credentials for another user. Another user ID is user2@ncc.edu. If you go into their page, show user, we can see the transactions. $500 has been deducted, sent transactions. They have sent this money to the other user. That's reflected here. And yeah, that's about it. I think we have covered all the pages in here on the admin page too. And that's the end of our demo. We've also implemented the extra credit for the email request, and right now we're not demoing the request as a part of the screencast, but it can be tested. Thank you for watching.